Welcome to the Uncommon Talks.
Hi, and welcome to the Uncommon Talks. Today we have a special guest. She's an entrepreneur. She has started her brand in lockdown. अभी brand को 1 साल हो गया है. So Kanika, please introduce yourself, your brand. Tell us about your story.
Yes, so hi guys, I'm Kanika. I started VN Rose, my brand, last year during the first lockdown. And हम लोग को अभी 1 year complete हो गया है and last week ही हमने anniversary मनाई है अपनी. VN Rose is a natural bath and body products brand. It is based on our desi recipes, दादी के देसी नुस्खे basically, and उसी से शुरू हुआ था ये सब कुछ. And we started making soaps and bath salts, foot soaks, scrubs, all based on natural ingredients, natural oils. And yes, here we are after 1 year catering to a lot of people all around India.
That's awesome. ये जो आपने रिसर्च करी होगी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पे, ये जो आपने थोड़ा सॉल्ट्स वगैरह जो डलते हैं इनमें, सोप्स वगैरह में, so how did you do that?
So soap में oils डलते हैं and पूरा process होता है saponification का, which is the process of combining oils and distilled water together. अब scientifically oil और water combine नहीं कर सकते आप, right? तो उसका एक पूरा process होता है. वो सब कुछ सीखना, I researched a lot on online and read a lot of articles, watched a lot of tutorials from people like pioneers in soap making, like Anne Marie from Brambleberry, and I read a lot of books also after that to completely understand the science behind making soap.
Okay.
How to use your oils, how to use your essential oils, different ingredients, what kind of colorants we can use, what they do to your batter of the soap, and how they react all together. Even natural ingredients, they are essentially compounds. So they will react with each other when mixed together.
But basically they all are chemicals.
They're not chemicals.
Okay.
They're not synthetic chemicals, right?
Okay.
So synthetic chemicals are basically synthetically derived in factories. These are natural products made with compounds, like we also are made with hydrogen, oxygen, all of that, right? And gases and other things. So all of that is combined into this. Essential oils are basically oils compressed to give you fragrance.
Okay, so you read all this and then you researched about all this, then you made something, then it went wrong.
I practiced a lot, things went wrong.
So it was like hit and trial method.
Yes, and I did a lot of things wrong, and to be honest, at the beginning I was like, I can't do this. मुझसे तो नहीं हो पाएगा, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है, मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए कर सकती हूँ ये. Because you have to have a proper recipe, you have to understand a lot of things. Yes, so when you practice a lot, you understand what this thing is, why this is happening, and what can be done to make it better. So I did that, practiced a lot, derived my own recipes. First, I practiced with the recipes that were online. Then I derived my own recipes to make the product unique, the fragrances unique, combining different types of essential oils together to give a proper, nice fragrance, a different unique fragrance.
So it was a whole process.
Yes.
That you first आपने पहले सीखा, फिर आपने execute करा, उसके बाद you perfect it, and then you had an idea कि we can sell it.
Yes.
So it was a long idea. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही दिन में हो गया, मैंने YouTube से देखा, बनाया और भेज दिया, ऐसा नहीं
होता. आज भी गलती होती है मुझसे. आज भी कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि जो कलर मैं चाहती हूँ वो कलर नहीं आ पाता, तो फिर दोबारा से पूरा बैच बनाना पड़ता है.
स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन भी होनी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट्स में. So आप घर से सारा ऑपरेट करते हो, आपने जैसे बताया, तो आप इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कैसे करते हो? लोग आपसे आपके पास आके खुद लेते हैं या यू हैव अ वेबसाइट या व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू करते हो? हाउ यू डू इट?
So we have walk-ins also. A lot of people can come to our workshop and get the products directly, pick up the products from here. But during COVID, we avoided that because workshop is a completely like non-contamination zone. We have to have the highest cleanliness possible, and we do not. Right now, we do not allow people to come into our workshop. They can just collect the products.
Okay. So
And
it's like home delivery or you...
we do home delivery as well. We have partners.
So if I want to purchase something, like I want to purchase a soap from you, तो कैसे? Well, I have to. How should I contact you?
You can place an order on our website. We have a website, fully functioning website. It's an e-commerce website. You can give us an order there, and we deliver within 2 to 3 days. You can also reach us through Instagram.
Okay.
And we're always ready to help anyone with any questions, with any kinds of requests. We also sometimes do, for big orders, we can do customization also. So a lot of people come to us asking if we can customize like a nice soap set for them for gifting. So we can do that, and they purchase like 10 boxes or 20 boxes, and we provide them with all their requests.
So do you customize according to the skin type also? Because everyone has a different kind of skin. जैसे मेरी कहीं से dry और कहीं से oily है. It's like a mixture.
Combination, yes.
So do you customize for this kind of?
Yes, we do have customization possible for that. Although we do have a lot of products that we already have in our inventory, so for all skin types. So they can purchase directly, and if they have a specific problem, they can come to us with those problems, and we customize products for them.
So in this pandemic, आपने कैसे strategy कैसे आपने बनाई? What was your marketing strategy? What was your product strategy? In pandemic, it was a difficult time. If you can share that, that will be great for our audience, for the young entrepreneurs.
So marketing strategy as such, we haven't invested a lot in marketing because being a very small business, being a homegrown business, it is always tough to invest in marketing a lot. So what we do is usually that we advertise on social media, advertise on WhatsApp, and we use word of mouth. We partner with other small brands as well, small businesses or influencers to reach out to a wider audience. And for me, partnering with smaller brands, other small brands, other homegrown businesses is much more fun. They are as passionate about their brand as I am. So it's always fun to meet other entrepreneurs. It is always fun to interact with other, homegrown businesses and talk about their dreams and somehow combine the two brands together.
Yeah, I think that's the beauty of a small entrepreneur who finds solution in every difficult situation, right? अब suppose we don't have anything, so कुछ करना है तो बनाना है, तो we have to develop that.
Yes. Also, like with social media, I would say that it is now easier in today's day to reach more audience than, it was probably 20 years ago. If we have that option, we need to exploit it as much as we can.
I think आज से 10 साल पहले कोई छोटा बिजनेस ये नहीं सोच पाता कि मैं 1000 कस्टमर विद इन मंथ या विद इन 2 months फुटफॉल में बना लूँगा. But with the help of the social media, we can do this in 2021. So that's the beauty of social media.
Yes.
And somebody rightly put up, social media can be evil and it can help you also. So this business is an example of that. So people are shifting from normal products to organic products, natural products. So what do you think? How customers are shifting towards the natural products or organic products these days?
So definitely there's a big shift. जैसे पहले भी था हमारे probably दादी के टाइम पर, है ना, दादी नानी के टाइम पर, कि वो ज़्यादा केमिकल प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं यूज़ करते थे, वो सब कुछ घर पे बनाते थे, घर के नुस्खे होते थे,
दवाइयाँ भी घर पे होती थी,
दवाइयाँ भी घर पे, यहाँ दर्द हो रही है तो हल्दी वाला दूध पी लो, ठीक है, इम्यूनिटी बढ़ानी है तो लौंग इलायची ये सब डाल लो, दूध
काढ़ा
में
बना के पी लो,
काढ़ा बना के पी लो। तो ये शिफ्ट अब वापस आ रहा है, ये माइंडसेट वापस आ रहा है कि हम घर पे चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, हम नेचुरल चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमारे लिए अच्छी हैं और इन्वायरमेंट के लिए भी अच्छी हैं। Mostly people are shifting towards natural products, you know, upcycled clothings. People are preferring to go towards slow fashion rather than fast fashions now, because people are gaining knowledge about what kind of harm these things are doing to the environment. So they're opting for more sustainable, more locally sourced, locally produced products.
आई गेस एनवायरनमेंट पे तो इफेक्ट आता ही आता है, हमारी बॉडी पे भी उसका सम काइंड ऑफ इम्पैक्ट आता ही है,
क्योंकि देखो जो भी हम रह तो रहे हैं इसी इन्वायरमेंट में ना, जो इफ़ेक्ट कर रहे हैं हम, जो हर चीज़ से इन्फेक्ट हो रहा है, केमिकल से। एक हेयर स्प्रे सपोज आप मान लो, ठीक है, हेयर स्प्रे में इतने केमिकल्स होते हैं दैट इट इन्फेक्ट्स द एयर अराउंड यू फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ मिनट्स, and it also attracts bacteria to that air, attracts bacteria to that surface. So the packaging of a hairspray, it infects the sea life. Plastic is affecting the sea life as we can see it. Plastic is affecting everything.
Like you said, plastic is affecting. एक study थी, I don't remember the name of the institute, but उस study में ये था कि highest point of the earth, नॉर्थ पोल तक हमारे प्लास्टिक मिलता है, और एंड द डीपेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द ओशन, वहाँ पे भी हमें प्लास्टिक मिलता है. सो वी हैव कंटामिनेटेड एवरीथिंग ऑन दिस अर्थ.
Yes, so that's why now people are getting you know, familiar with these problems that we're facing, that we've done to our planet, and they want to move back to sustainable methods, to sustainable packaging, to sustainable living. So many people are shifting towards bamboo brushes, soap bars, shampoo bars, to eliminate the smallest packaging that they use in their daily lives. If we can eliminate that, if let's say out of 100 people, if 80 people eliminate using plastic in their daily life, single-use plastic, won't that make Earth a better place? And that's where the shift is coming.
It will make a better place, I would say that. But एक willingness चाहिए होती है, because without plastic, life is hard. So it's hard. Let's understand that first. Because if we have to carry something, we need plastic bag. If we need to pack something, we need something made of plastic. Or if we need a laptop, it's made of plastic. So everything is plastic around us, but if we can reduce it, that will be the greatest
single-use plastic needs to be eliminated from our lives. Single-use plastic like poly bags, your bathroom, your shampoo bottles, or your body wash bottles, either they're upcycled into something or they should be eliminated. A lot of airlines have eliminated single-use plastic cutlery.
Yeah, even I guess Adidas has started making shoes out of plastic.
A lot of people have started making bags out of stones to avoid plastic usage. Those bags are cheap as plastic bags, and they, once thrown away, they just decompose.
Do you make all this in your house, or you have a factory? So how you produce the product?
So to produce the product, we do it all in-house. Everything is made by me. सब कुछ घर में हमारी वर्कशॉप है, उसमें बनता है. मैं खुद बनाती हूँ हर एक चीज़, each and every product, each and every soap, foot soak, everything I make on my own, पैकेजिंग भी मैं ही करती हूँ सारी.
That's great. बहुत 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 बढ़िया. So tell us about your products and how they are different from other products. Like we have khadi products. So how your product are different from the other products?
Our products are based on all natural ingredients. Each and every ingredient, each and every recipe is our own unique recipe designed for different types of skins. And each soap, each foot soak, it brings an experience to your shower time. For example, our a very, very famous soap is Beach Please, which is actually, it looks like a beach. So, you know, the waves crashing onto the yellow sands. And the fragrance is also such that it takes you to, you know, a beach paradise. So when we're selling a soap, we're not just selling a product, we're selling an experience.
Okay, that's a strategy, I guess, business strategy for the product.
Yes, that too, but it's also my story. So I like to put a little bit of me in every product that I make.
So how things started? What was your thinking जब आपने brand start किया? Like it's for the money, it's for the people, it's for you. What was the beginning?
It was just for me. I picked up this hobby during pandemic last year. Like the first few weeks, I got so bored at home, and there was nothing to do. We were just passing time, drinking away, and you know, playing games. And then I thought that, you know, we need to do something useless with this time because we're not gonna get this time again. And it's true for everyone. If you waste time, everything can come back, everything is replaceable, but time is something you will never get back. So I started doing this, like soaping, started making my own soaps, using them at home. And I told my friends that I was doing this. They said that we also want to try your soaps. I was like, okay. So I sent them my soaps that I made. They loved them. They were like, why don't you start your own like side business with this? I was like, maybe we can do that. That's not a bad idea. So I told my mom. My mom was like, हाँ साथ करते हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है, आपके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. You will also get some time to pass with this thing and you'll have fun also. And I basically was having so much fun making soaps for myself, for my friends, for my family, that I started with this venture. I designed everything, the branding, the packaging, everything, and just started with it.
So everything is done in your home.
Yes.
That's awesome, because whenever I see people or children, they wasted their time. Even myself, I wasted my time in the pandemic. I would have done something. It's great to see किसी ने तो अपना time invest करा कहीं पे, तो it's great. As an entrepreneur, did you face any problem? Like starting में कुछ दिक्कतें आई होंगी?
Starting में हाँ बहुत दिक्कतें आई थी. पहली चीज़ खुद पे बिलीव करना कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. बहुत बार ये डाउट होता था कि अभी भी होता है कभी कभी that can I do this? Can I scale it up?
Even हमारे साथ भी होता है when we are doing podcast, हमारे साथ भी होता है कि ये हम कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते.
सबके साथ होता है, वो एक डाउट रहता है, but then you have to get rid of that doubt. You have to push yourself to do what you want to do and not be scared about the results, how it would be, because trying is better than not doing anything at all.
Well said. So, do you have any message for the youth or any message for the future entrepreneurs?
Future entrepreneurs and youth, don't waste your time. It's never going to come back. And just if you have something in mind, get down, do it. Don't be scared. Don't doubt yourself.
That's great. So we can conclude over here that we should not waste our time. We should invest in something. कुछ नया सीखते रहना चाहिए. Maybe it can become a business or a passion. Because I remember I started playing guitar. अब मेरे को गिटार बजाने में इतना मज़ा आता है कि मैं कभी भी बजा लेता हूँ. तो let's not waste our time. Let's invest in something. So on this note, let's end this podcast. Thank you, Kanika, for having us.
Thank you for having me.